FAQ. We have gathered some burning questions about group health insurance. From the difference between group and individual plans to the nitty-gritty of who's covered and premium calculations, we have got your back, so you can make an informed decision. Group health insurance frequently asked questions. What are the various waiting periods in group insurance? Group health insurance often eliminates waiting periods seen in individual policies. Typical waiting periods include 30-day. Covers accidents and emergencies, can be waived. 1 year. For diseases like cataracts, kidney stones, can be waived. 2 to 4 year. For certain pre-existing conditions, varies by insurer. 9 months. For maternity benefits, can be waived by the company. What is room rent capping in group insurance? Group Mediclaim. Room rent capping in employee health insurance, Group Mediclaim, involves setting a limit on the type of hospital room that can be used. Typically, this cap is set at 1% of the sum assured. Costs exceeding this cap are borne by the insured. This measure helps control expenses and ensures clarity in healthcare billing. Can room rent be customized under the group insurance policy? Yes, room rent can be customized in the group health policy. There are several options available for customization, including proportion of sum assured 1%, 1.5%, and 2%. Single AC room, irrespective of the cost. No room rent capping at all. Is it advisable to opt for a pre-existing disease waiver in group insurance for employees? The decision to include a pre-existing disease waiver in group insurance for employees depends on various factors, including the demographics of the group to be covered and the desired benefits. For example, if the group primarily comprises young individuals without significant medical histories, the importance of this benefit may be relatively lower. However, if the group consists of members with an average age of 40, including parents, the significance of this benefit increases. It also depends on the group's policy terms and the willingness to incur additional costs. Some group members may become eligible for this benefit only after several years with the policy, and it typically comes at an extra expense. Can maternity coverage be included in a group insurance policy for employees? Yes, maternity benefits can be added to a group insurance policy for employees. However, it is important to note that maternity coverage typically comes with a maximum claim limit specified in the policy. When should maternity benefits be recommended? Maternity benefits can be suggested in the following scenarios. When adding dependents. If the client is adding the spouses and children of employees, maternity benefits can be recommended. It provides coverage from day one without any waiting period. There is also an option to include a 9-month waiting period. Maternity coverage includes both pre- and postnatal expenses. For female employees, if the organization employs female staff members, maternity benefits can also be suggested. Similar to the previous scenario, it offers coverage from day one with the option of a 9-month waiting period, and it covers pre- and postnatal expenses. Subscribe to our channel, stay tuned for more such content.